anyone who's been thinking about buying the latest release of the Range Rover Sport, well, act fast with this one. It's the best priced vehicle we have sold so far. It's £60,990. This is a 2023 72 plate Range Rover Sport D300 Fuji White black pack sliding roof 22-inch wheel steps. It's a very, very good car for just under £61,000, that's for sure. Now, this car would have been, let's just say, late 80s, £90,000 brand new. So what a saving it could be for you if you're in the market for such a car. There's lots of options on this car as well. That's the black pack, so black roof, mirrors, badging, wing inserts, bonnet inserts, and then these wheels really nicely upgraded to the 22-inch SV bespoke wheel. That's a satin and polished finish. We've then got side steps, leather interior, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, driver and passenger, that wonderful camera system, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. What a car it is. So like I said, get this snapped up. We've never sold one at this value. It's done 26,000 miles in a great condition. And look at the way this car sits on the road. So love the two-tone accent. So it's black roof, black wheels, black underside, black rear spoiler and the privacy glass. Then to the rear you'll see the boot finisher, the badging, the underside of the car, all in black. Now this is a Range Rover Sport, so we get loads and loads of luxuries as standard, like air suspension, like electric seat fold, big boot, power assisted tailgate, and there's so much space in the back as well. So if you've got a family, easy in and out, lovely to sit in, heated rear seats. The sliding roof is a big one, you know. I think it's a must for a Range Rover Sport if you're looking for one. This one's got it. Meridian sound system, electric rear seats as well, keyless entry. And then jumping into one of these things with the steps is obviously made so much easier. I'm going to show you all the features. So in a Range Rover Sport, we're getting electric steering column adjustment. We've got the heated wheel, the adaptive cruise, switchable driver zone, this wonderful camera system, so 360 surround view, really nice and easy to use. It includes an off-road camera as well if you did want to take this car off-road, of course. Heated front seats, digitalised climate control, heated front and rear screens, Apple and Android CarPlay, wireless phone charging. Just a great car, stunning. For the money, it is a beauty. 26,000 miles on the website now. It was registered in 2023 on a 72 plate. Great colour combination. The white, for me, I really like in the Sport. We very rarely get them and you very rarely see them on the road. I think it stands out, all the contrast of this car. It's on the website now. If you're interested and you're watching this video, give me a call, drop me a WhatsApp. It's Richard, my number's on the screen. Thanks for watching.